So I've learned something pretty cool about court that I'm going to try and explain the same way the guy explained it to me, because I really got it when he said it like that. Basically, you have players in the court, okay? And everyone plays a certain position. Now, the court works on presumptions that they are going to dictate the positions and the game everyone's going to play. So you go into the court and you have judge or justice. Then you have the crown. And then you have you. Okay, now these are all connected. This is like the Holy Trinity in the church, but it's in the court. So then you've got the judge and the crown. These guys are both government. Okay. So the positions they're assuming they play in trust law, okay. The judge is presuming they are the executive and the administrator, because they're running shit. They're the ones that make all the orders and file all the paperwork. Then you've got the crown, which presumes they're the beneficiary. And then you've got you, who is the presumed trustee. Now, you're the trustee of your own account, your own sole corporation. So that's what's in question, that's what's the accused. But it's assumed, or presumed, that you can't handle that responsibility. So the government have said, we'll take we'll take the liability. But obviously, because they're corporations, they're only limited liability anyway. So what you have to do is, if the courts work on presumptions and these presumptions stand until rebutted, we have to rebut the presumptions. So we switch up the roles basically. So you claim, let me change a different colour pen. You assume to be the executive, the administrator, and the beneficiary. Now this leaves the judge, he's not going to like it, but this leaves him as the public trustee, which is what he is. And then because the crown and the judge are both the government, a trustee can't be an executive or a beneficiary, which means that they are automatically a trustee as well, the crown, because they're both government, so it's one entity. So that's how the odds are stacked against us at the moment, because the government is claiming to be the executive, the administrator, and the beneficiary of your account, of your name, your person, whatever. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. As soon as you go in and kind of establish the role you're going to play and say, I'm executive, administrator and beneficiary today, then you don't really have to argue that I'm not this person. You can say no, because in some capacity I could be this person, like that is, I do hold that name or whatever. But it's about the status that you're holding rather than the name you're using. So I think that's how you win. So yeah, we have full commercial liability, and we stand higher than a corporation then, because they can't claim full liability because they're a fiction, they don't really exist. So there you go.